Let's work through an example of comparing slope represented in different ways. First, solve for the slope of each hiker. Ariana's slope is 2,955. Subtract 1,970 divided by 6 subtract 4. 2,955 subtract 1,970 equals 985. 6 subtract 4 equals 2. 985 divided by 2 equals 492.5. Ariana's rate is 492.5 feet per hour. Donna's slope is 5,800. Subtract 1,960 divided by 6 subtract 2. 5,800 subtract 1,960 equals 3,840. 6 subtract 2 equals 4. 3,840 divided by 4 equals 960. Donna's rate is 960 feet per hour. Kyle's slope is 4,284. Subtract 2,142 divided by 6 subtract 3. 4,284 subtract 2,142 equals 2,142. 6 subtract 3 equals 3. 2,142 divided by 3 equals 714. Kyle's rate is 714 feet per hour. Compare the slopes by ordering the rate of each hiker from slowest to fastest. Ariana's rate is the smallest, so she is the slowest hiker. Donna's rate is the largest, so she is the fastest hiker. The rate of each hiker from slowest to fastest is Ariana, Kyle, Donna. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching! Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!